Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital inspection here for a homeowner in Point Loma. First thing that we like to do in these roof inspections is inspect the layers of roof on this roof, and there appears to only be one layer. You can actually pull back this right here and just verify that with seeing the underlayment underneath. Roof age is definitely at the end of its life expectancy. We can notice that by the amount of granule buildup that we can see actually coming off these granules in the gutters right here. We can see on the southern facing sides, they obviously get the most worn because of the sun exposure and element exposure. You'll see the fiberglassing actually showing through right here. Interesting little section right here, definitely a sensitive section I would guess over the years. We can see a little mastic repair right here. This flat section was more than likely an addition to the home, and we have a torch down material right here. That's a flat roofing material, and then we have the shingles kind of surrounding it right here on this connection that was made. In this situation, we'd actually use a TPO material, to the thermopolymer material. It lasts longer, it's easier to install, so that would be our flat roofing material of choice. We can see the additional wear and tear right here. This shingles right here barely have any granules, so they've all, probably all gone down here to the gutter. If I go down here to the gutter, we can actually see the amount of granules actually building up in the gutter right here. Furthermore, we always want to check the ventilations because mastic usually is applied over the years, but we can see it start to slowly crack, and you can see that crack build up right there. A little bit of stone left up on this roof. I'm assuming that this was right here. This chimney was actually canceled. Chimneys are always sensitive areas. I'm not seeing any counter flashing unless it's muddied up underneath that. That's something we would add. It's actually metal flashing that connects from the chimney to underneath the shingles. It could be hidden underneath that mastic right there. Something I did notice above these solar panels, which is interesting, with some nail holes. See one right here, and then actually three right here. So going directly down to the underlayment of the wood. That's definitely a potential leak area. Flat roofing system right here with the green torch down. Torch down, when inspecting, you always want to check for adequate bleed out. Usually you'd like to see about a ½ inch of bleed out between these seams right here. I'm not really seeing that, so as this roof dries, cracks, the torch actually shrinks, pulling it away, and maybe one of these seams will become busted. Flat roofing system we'll use right here is going to be a TPO material as well. It's a white polymer material. It lasts longer. It's very reflective. Additionally, it's less prone to human error because we're not operating with a torch. We're just operating with basically a heat welding gun to weld those seams together. These ridge caps give me a little bit of worry with these exposed nails. You can see them almost in every single one. See, as they get loose, they kind of pull out. Yeah, one that's pulled out right there. Solar panels we can remove and reinstall. Homeowner informed me they were installed by Baker Electric. It's an LG panel. We can definitely remove these, do the roofing project, and then reinstall these for the homeowner after and get them working to adequate of what they were working before. So no problem there. We'll go ahead and recommend a full re-roof on this roof and go over the pricing options with the homeowner. Thank you. Bye.